Hi, welcome back to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike, and guess what? Today's recipe is about chicken stir fry. Okay, let me tell you what's in the recipe. Well, we have our chicken. We have 3 chicken breasts that are cut up into little cubes. We have some red cabbage, some pea pods, some carrots, some broccoli, garlic, bell pepper, onion, and one of my favorites, some pineapple. And then we have the stir-fry noodles. I'll put that in the description for you. We only have a couple of packs of those. But we're going to be using some different flavors. We're going to start off with some sesame seed oil, the soy sauce, but I love soy sauce, but we definitely will be using Blackstone's teriyaki sauce. So let's get right to it. First thing we'll do is take some sesame oil and we'll put it down on our griddle top, and then we'll add in our chicken. And this is the chicken breast that we cut up. All right, that's looking good. I'm going to add a little salt and pepper. Pepper first, then some salt. That'll be good. We have the temperature set to 400 degrees, and we'll continue cooking this until the chicken is almost completely done. Then we're going to start adding in our veggies. So give me a couple of minutes to get this chicken cooked. Okay, the chicken's done. It took a few minutes, but that's okay. Once I get all the chicken off the griddle, then we'll start loading up the veggies. All right, it's time to put the veggies on. So let's add some sesame seed oil. I love the smell of sesame seed oil. So we have 1 onion, 1 bell pepper, I don't know, 5 or 6 toes of garlic. You gotta have garlic, right? Love garlic. And some carrots. Let's put the carrots in next. Okay. So let's just stir this stuff around a little bit. All right, so let's just go ahead and add in some other ingredients. We'll just cook it all together. Look at that cabbage. The pea pods. Oh man, I love pea pods in stir fry. And then the broccoli. It's time to put in a little soy sauce. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. And then we'll add in just a little bit more salt. And a little bit of pepper. I know you'll probably say, well, you know, Asian food doesn't have salt and pepper, but I believe it does. It does here at my house. So we're going to let this cook down. It's probably going to take about 5-10 minutes. But we'll get this done, and we'll show you a little bit along the way. We'll just keep turning it and mixing it and letting it all cook. Okay, getting ready to go on with the Blackstone teriyaki. Veggies are looking great. Noodles are ready to go on. So let's go ahead and just pour some of this right over those veggies. You can't go wrong with some teriyaki. And now we'll go on with our noodles. This is smelling so good. I cannot wait to eat this dinner. And we'll just mix this in. Cook it for a few more minutes. And it'll be time to eat. Look how pretty that looks. Give us a few more minutes. It's almost done. Time to put the chicken on. Let's get that chicken back on that stir fry. Wow, look at that. Isn't that nice? It smells so good. So the chicken was already done. Now we're just mixing it in. We had some extra flavors, put a little extra salt and pepper. And now we're just going to put all of this on a platter. So we're getting ready to put everything on the platter. Well, everything is done except the pineapple. So we're just going to go on with our pineapple slices. We'll put a little teriyaki in there too. We'll grill this up for a few minutes and we'll let them get nice and sweet. Flip them over a couple of times. We'll add them to the stir fry and it's time to eat. We're almost finished. That's it. The heat's off and I'm going to move the pineapple slices right on over to the platter. And it is time to eat. The E Series Blackstone Griddle did a great job. We just picked it up. It's brand new. Kind of had to get used to using it. You know, temperature, it doesn't really react as fast as gas, but it did a great job. And we loaded it up. I'm telling you. Their products are really, really good, so I'm happy. Anyway, I can't wait to eat. I'm going to dig in, put some of this stir fry on my plate. It looks beautiful. And I don't know what to eat first. The chicken or the pineapple or the veggies. Let me see if I can get a little bit of everything. Here we go. This is some good. On the pineapple. Great flavor. Well, I hope you like our chicken teriyaki stir fry video. We love this recipe and we've eaten it several times. So if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We really appreciate that. Tell your friends and your family about us too. Hit that notification bell. That way you know when we're coming out with new videos, and we do every week. Go get you some chicken teriyaki and have a great day, and God bless you.